Hi kids! Welcome to this week's edition of TVC Kids Club. I'm your host, Crafty Aggie. TVC Kids Club is a children's club that seeks to promote learning through art, craft, and do-it-yourself activities. If you are a parent, register on the links below and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started, shall we? In this activity, I'll be showing you how to make a number flower craft. You will need the following materials: a ruler, a marker pen, watercolor, a coloring set, water, and a piece of paper. All these materials except for the water can be found at Textbook Center. Step 1. Draw flowers as follows. You will need your ruler, a marker pen, and the paper. So let's begin. You start with a circle on one end of your paper, like that. And then you draw the petals all around the flower. You can work with as many petals as possible. Then take your ruler and draw the stem. From one petal of the flower all the way to the end, this edge of the paper like that, and finish off there. Then we draw another flower. You can decide to make the petals a bit smaller so that you can have many flowers. You can even draw taller flowers. I guess for this activity we'll only have 4 flowers, so we'll only be counting up to number 4. But if you want to count all the way to number 10 or any other number that you can, draw more flowers for that. So again, let's do the stem for these 2 latest drawing of the flower. Like that. Then let's do the last flower, which will be the tallest. Then finish off with a stem. Keep in mind that we are not drawing the leaves yet. I'll show you what to do with that. And we're done with the flowers. So we have 4, but remember you can always keep them smaller so that you can have a good number of them on your piece of paper. Step 2. Color the flowers. So just check whether they're sharp enough, then you can begin coloring. So I'll do yellow on the inside of my flower, and I'll go around. Oh no, I think I should change this color of dark green to purple because the leaves will be green. So it's good if you just create the contrast right now. We have so many colors to work with. So that's why I've made the switch. Just do a nice shade inside the petals. Remember to always follow the line so that you don't go outside. And then now you can do the back and forth. Then I'll do this like green for my stem. So we'll maintain this color shading all through the flowers, but you can also work with a mix of other colors and color your flowers differently. I'll just maintain this pattern. Yellow on the inside and purple on the outside, and a light green stem. The leaves we'll do later. I'll show you how to go about it. So start. As always, the edges, then you can go inside with back and forth strokes. Again with our circle. Yellow on the inside, purple on the outside. And I can work my way inwards. Very last petal now. And we are done with the coloring. Step 3. Number your flowers as follows. Take your marker pen and start from this end. We'll start with number 1. Since we only have 4 flowers, we'll only go all the way till number 4. Then we do 3, and finally 4. So when you turn over, you can see the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Finally, paint the leaves as follows. We will be doing some finger painting with our watercolor. So dip your forefinger, or any other finger for that matter, into the water. Then go to color green. I'll work with dark green. And what we're going to do, the number of leaves will be determined by the number on each flower. If, for example, we are at flower number 1, so the leaf will be 1. So I'll come here and paint my leaf, which is 1. Then we do the same for these other remaining flowers. So again, you can dip your finger in the water, and then you do 2 leaves for the number 2 on this flower. Third flower will mean that we're drawing or painting 3 leaves. I'll just do a pattern there. Oh no, this last one has more white showing there. That does it. Then for the final 4th flower, it means we have to paint 4 leaves. It's a very nice activity. Finger painting is usually very good for pre-writing skills. And here we go. With this activity, you can also learn more about your numbers and the value of them. So we are done. Don't forget to send in photos of your work using the hashtag TVC Kids Club to stand a chance of winning fun gift hampers from Textbook Center. Now, in the next activity, I'll be showing you how to make a multiplication flower. You will need the following materials: paper, a marker pen, and finally, crayons. All these materials can be found at Textbook Center. Step 1. Draw a flower on the paper as follows. So let's begin again with a circle, but this time round way bigger, like this. Then let's do the petals. We will aim to do around 10. We'll only reach up to multiples of 10. So let's count together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we will do other petals outside these first ones. So we'll do 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So here is our flower with 20 petals in total. Step 2. Color the flower. So this time we'll be using wax crayon. Very beautiful set. Small, just for the tiny fingers like yours. So this time round, I'll do red on the inside. Still maintaining our technique of going around the edges first. Before doing the inside, or rather just going back and forth on the inside to be easier. We'll have a neat finish when we're done. So that's that. And then we will do blue for all these inner petals. So remember, you can choose any other color that you like. So you can turn your paper around slowly so that you color neatly. The very last petal now. So we're done with that. Now let's go to the outer petals. I'll use orange like this. These ones we still have trouble coloring inside. This is a very good activity for practice. Here's the very last one. Okay, let me show you how the flower looks like, and we are done. Finally, pick a number and write it in the middle part of the flower and fill the other parts as follows. Okay, so pick a number. I think we'll do 5 for this one. So with your marker pen, you'll write times 5 inside here, since we're doing multiples of 5. So it's times, that is why we have the times sign in here. And in these first petals, you'll write the numbers 1 all the way through 10, because we want to do up to multiples of 10 for the number 5. So we'll start with 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally 10. So to practice our multiplication tables, the answer will be written here. So it will go something like 5 times 1. The answer will be recorded in this outer petal. So 5 times 1 is 5. So you can do this from memory, but you can do this with many other numbers so that you practice your multiplication. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. And finally, 5 times 10 is 15. So here we have done the multiples of 5 up to number 10. You can always increase your inner petals all the way till number 14 or 15 or even 16 and practice on your multiplication. This is a multiplication flower of the number 5 done, complete with all its multiples up to the number 10. Thank you so much for watching. Don't miss out on a chance of winning fun gift hampers from Textbook Center. Simply upload photos of your projects using the hashtag TVC Kids Club. Remember to subscribe to this channel or click the links below for more details. See you all next time. Bye.